যখন আমি I think 2008 এসেছিলাম, this whole area was under construction. So, post COVID, this is a mandate at least for Sikkim. Keep this in mind that
आधार कार्ड नहीं चलेगा.
Hi all, welcome to Sumi Travelogs with me Sumitra, and right now I am at MG Marg, Gangtok, the capital city of Sikkim. And in this vlog we'll have another person with me, and she is Puravi. You can call her Purvi also.
Gangtok, the state capital of Sikkim in the eastern Himalayas, is an epitome of natural beauty and fashion sense of its humble and friendly people. With the mighty Kanchenjunga at its backdrop, this bustling hill station is favorite to the people of West Bengal because of its geographical position. So when post-COVID we had to choose our first trip destination for 2021, we chose Sikkim. We travelled by bus. By the time we reached near North Bengal and got down from the bus, we could realize how cold it would gonna be in Gangtok, which is at an altitude of 1650 meters. Though I've been to Sikkim 3 times before, this was my first travel with Sikkim Nationalized Transport bus, and I will definitely recommend it because the journey is comfortable and the ticket price is also reasonable. Expect long queue near the West Bengal Sikkim border and keep your IDVA documents handy as the police might check. Keep this in mind that Aadhaar card might not get accepted in Sikkim. Though high schools and colleges have opened, many hotels are still shut. So we thoroughly enjoyed our 2-day stay in this beautiful clean city as the number of tourists were pretty less. কোভিড পরবর্তী গ্যাংটক কিন্তু অনেকটা এরকম, সন্ধ্যে 6টার সময়ও দেখে মনে হচ্ছে রাত 10টা বাজে, এমনকি মার্কেট প্লেসও যথেষ্ট ফাঁকা। This video is on what documents you'll need to come to Sikkim now and on some hotels in the MG Marg area. Hope you'll like. Before we go ahead, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. You may also follow me on FB and Insta. So let's begin our journey. প্রথম যে হোটেলটিতে যাব তার নাম দলমা প্যালেস।
You can book this hotel from Go Ibibo. Any other site? Go Ibibo only. You can book this hotel from, or if the room is like any room is empty and if it's off season, you can come over also and book. And what are the room tariffs, Kevin? If you can just let the viewers know. From 1500.
For premium only.
Off season only.
And off season only, so it's starting from 1500 in off season, and during peak time
Peak time
2500 it's starting
on city.
okay, so it's only room charges, right? Okay. And what's the the most expensive room in your hotel?
12K.
12K. So they have got a room
That is,
for
Royal
12,000
Suite
also. Sorry?
Royal Suite.
So that's a royal suite that is like for 12,000. Beautiful chandelier, if you can see inside this hotel. Very small enclosed kind of a lift, and it will take us to 6th floor where there will be the terrace and the restaurant. floor. So you can have your food here also. So that's the kitchen. This is smoking area. Almost most of the hotels in Sikkim are non-smoking because of the wooden structure. Thank you so much, Karen. I'll just have a look around the reception.
प्लिज च्यानल सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनुहोस् होला होइन भर्खर स्टार्ट गर्नु हुँदो रहेछ द्याट्स इट
দলমা প্যালেস হোটেল থেকে ঢিলছোড়া দূরত্বেই আছে হোয়াইট মাউন্টেন।
This is Hotel White Mountain. This is also pretty close to MG Mart. And the hotel has, started getting operated post-COVID since 15th of January, right, Dada? 15th of January. So he's the person to get in touch with. So you can book this hotel through Make My Trip and Go iVivo. 3000 से start हो रहा है, कितने तक range तक है?
3 से 4 के अंदर 2 categories only.
2 categories
Deluxe
only.
and super.
So you've got 2 categories of rooms. One is deluxe and another is super deluxe. So that will be between 3000 to 4000. That also can vary depending on the season and off season.
এবার আসি একটু লো বা মডারেট বাজেটের হোটেল যার নাম পাইন রিজ।
Hotel Pine Ridge. This is down the lane of MG Marg Gangtok, and here is the reception. So what's the tariff of your rooms, Dada, in off season?
Off-season 800.
Off season 800 and
Peak season time 1500.
1500.
1500
And
to 2000.
that's the basic room, right? That's the basic room. And what about the is there any specification in other rooms also?
That's room 2000, 2500.
And what's the difference between the room of 1500 and 2200?
Small and big.
Small and big. So for if a family of 2 husband, wife and a kid comes, that's for 1500. And 2200 is for?
200 is big room, 8%.
Okay.
8%, 6%.
6%. And in food you have Bengali dish. So he's Rajiv Shaha. If you want to get into this hotel, you need to call the number I have shown and you need to book the room. The room in off season starts from 800 and during the season it starts from 1500. Thank you, Dada. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is the restaurant or the lunch or dinner area.
একটা কথা মাথায় রাখবেন, পিক সিজনে কিন্তু একমাত্র টপ নচ হোটেল কিছু হাতে গোনা ছাড়া কোনো হোটেলই আপনাকে ফিক্সড প্রাইস কোনো রুমের জন্য দেবে না।
Pretty close to the MG Marg, so and the rooms are upstairs. So you can see outside taxis and everything is going. And you've got free Wi-Fi also. And you can book it through TripAdvisor also. Thank you, Dada.
এই চত্বরে আরেকটি হোটেল হলো সুশান্ত আবাস, যার ওনার সত্যম দাদা অনেক তথ্য দিলেন সিকিমের ট্যুরিজম সংক্রান্ত, এবং ওনার আরেকটি প্রপার্টি হলো হোটেল নির্বাণা, যা সুশান্ত আবাসের ঠিক উল্টো দিকে।
निर्वाणा
निर्वाणा भी मेरा ही है।
अच्छा अच्छा दादा, आपके यहाँ का जो टैरिफ है
मेरा 2 प्रॉपर्टी है, ठीक है। एक मेरा
निर्वाणा
स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉपर्टी है।
अच्छा।
स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉपर्टी में टोटल 17 रूम्स है। उसमें 17 रूम में से 6 व्यू रूम्स है, माउंटेन व्यू रूम्स है मेरे, बाकी सब नॉन व्यू रूम्स है, ठीक है। और वहाँ का टैरिफ, सीज़न का टैरिफ तो कुछ होता नहीं है वैसे। सीज़न में हम लोग का 2500 रुपीज़ रूम का रेंज आता है विद कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ब्रेकफास्ट, और ऑफ सीज़न में मैं 1000, 1200, 1500 दे देता हूँ, ठीक है। ये जो सुशांत आवास प्रॉपर्टी डिलक्स प्रॉपर्टी है, इसमें 10 रूम्स है। इसमें डिलक्स रूम, सुपर डिलक्स रूम एंड स्वीट रूम है। इसका डिलक्स प्रॉपर्टी का 2500 रुपीज़ विद कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ब्रेकफास्ट, और आपका क्या कहते हैं सुपर डिलक्स का आपका 2800 और स्वीट रूम का 3500.
You book online or you book directly contacting the hotel. So I'll give you the numbers of the hotel, directly speak to the hotel or book the hotel if the hotel has got its own website or through other websites like iBibo or Make My Trip, etc., wherever the hotel is available.
ये जानकारी हर किसी को नहीं है. गैंगटॉक सिक्किम में आधार कार्ड नहीं चलता है. आधार कार्ड इसलिए अलाउड नहीं है कि बीच में बांग्लादेश से टूरिस्ट आए थे, उनको नाथुला जाना अलाउड नहीं है, बाबा मंदिर जाना अलाउड नहीं है. ठीक है.
So
All
listen
for-
to
all
this, like
foreigners
foreign tourists,
are
yes.
not allowed to visit Baba Mandir, not allowed to visit Nathula, not allowed to visit Guru Domar Lake.
Because those are in the border areas,
Border area.
right?
So what happened is there was a guest from Bangladesh. He made a duplicate Aadhaar card
Oh my
and he
God.
went to Nathula. वहाँ के आर्मी ने पकड़ लिया उन लोगों को. उनका फिर गैंगटॉक में आधार कार्ड बैंक हो गया. So whenever you come to Sikkim, साथ में 4 passport size photographs per person, साथ में वोटर आईडी कार्ड या तो ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस या तो पासपोर्ट या तो बैंक का गवर्नमेंट बैंक का पासबुक, ये सब होना मैंडेटरी है. आधार कार्ड नहीं चलेगा.
So I think if
ये
you-
जानकारी कोई नहीं देता है.
I know that because when we were making the travel card, I saw the listing. There was no Aadhaar card.
There's a mandatory rule that जितने भी टूरिस्ट लोग हैं वो ऑथराइज्ड
Travel agent के साथ आए and with travel cards आए. So post COVID, this is a mandate at least for Sikkim. Keep this in mind that you need to have a travel card. You should come here through authorized travel agent and you should book hotels ideally beforehand if you don't have any jaan pehchan here. So Satyam Dada has given us a very good information. And बहुत beautifully decorated है आपका ये property. और if you're coming here with kids, it's very good I think because the kids can play in this area. Pretty close to the MG Marg, like 5 minutes walk from the MG Marg and you'll be right here. Thank you Dada. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So we are right now at Hotel Utpala. Just opposite Pantaloons. Namaskar Dada. So these are the tariffs of this room, if you can check. So deluxe, super deluxe and dormitory, everything is there. There is a suite also that is 6,300 per day. And do you give complimentary breakfast?
Complimentary breakfast.
Complimentary breakfast is included. Beneath the MG Marg market, this is Hotel Nathula. This is the reception area. नमस्कार दादा. आप लोग के यहाँ रूम टैरिफ अगर बताएं तो?
সিজন অফ সিজন আলাদা হয়. এখন যেমন 1200 থেকে শুরু করে 1500, 1800, 2200, 2500, 3000 পর্যন্ত রুম আছে.
রুমের ভিউ অনুযায়ী
ভিউ অনুযায়ী কজন থাকবে সেই অনুযায়ী.
আচ্ছা.
মানে 3000 যেটা বলছি সেটাতে আপনি 7 জন মতো থাকতে পারবেন.
ডরমিটরি
টাইপের.
আর 1200টা
1200
নরমাল ফ্যামিলি রুম, হাজবেন্ড ওয়াইফ বাচ্চা হয়তো বা হাজবেন্ড ওয়াইফ বন্ধু দুজন
ছোট রুম একটু.
ছোট. আচ্ছা. আর অফ সিজনে 1200 থেকে স্টার্ট and people can book it online and also after
Online,
coming here.
offline. এটা হচ্ছে মেন রাজা ছিলেন.
So here you can see the pictures of the Chogyal of Sikkim. You can see the Tenzing Sherpa and Edmund Hillary's photo here.
হোটেলটি যদিও ছোট এবং মনে হচ্ছে একটু লো বা মিডিয়াম বাজেটের, কিন্তু হোটেলটির ভেতরে বেশ সুন্দর সুন্দর কিছু ছবি দেখতে পাওয়া গেল।
এটা কার হোটেল?
Can you recognize Miss Indira Gandhi in this picture? And of course Jawaharlal Nehru. So in this hotel you can get free Wi-Fi. You can book it from Make My Trip or Go iBibo, or you can come here directly or call Animesh, who is the owner of this hotel, or any other who will be available at the reception at the number I'll give you in the description also, and also I've shown you the name of the hotel along with this card. and there is a restaurant in the ground floor where you can have the food. Thank you, Animesh bhai. Golden Heights. This is exactly in MG Marg, in the prime location, opposite Reliance Trends. So आप लोग का रूम टैरिफ अगर बताएं तो बहुत अच्छा रहता व्यूअर्स के लिए. So what is this?
दो कैटेगरी का हम लोग का रूम
Okay,
है.
so
दो कैटेगरी में स्वीट रूम है और सुपर डिलक्स रूम है. सुपर डिलक्स हम लोग का 16 है और स्वीट रूम एक ही है. तो स्वीट रूम में हम लोग डिस्काउंट नहीं दे पाते, लेकिन सुपर डिलक्स के लिए फिलहाल अभी के लिए
ऑफ सीजन है
ऑफ सीजन
इसलिए.
थोड़ा सा डिस्काउंट चल रहा है, 50% डिस्काउंट चल रहा है.
So the 5,000 room, since this is off season, 5,000 room you can get in 2,500. But
GST.
remember, GST is excluded in this rate. Give complimentary breakfast with
No,
this.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
So there is no breakfast over here with this. This is only for lodging, and you've got restaurant
Restaurant, yes,
up
ma'am.
there.
Yes, yes.
Which floor?
First floor.
First floor. May I have a look there?
Yes, yes, please.
Thank you so much. And for COVID, what are the precautions are you taking, like sanitization?
सैनिटाइजिंग वगैरह हम लोग का इधर में है. आपका हैंड सैनिटाइजिंग रखा
So
हुआ
this
है
is the
और लगे
reception
सैनिटाइजिंग के लिए.
area. In this hotel, they have got a special thing for luggage sanitization. So this is the equipment. We'll now go to the first floor to show you the restaurant area. So this is the dining place or restaurant, where
बार मेनू है और ये
and they have got a bar.
This hotel doesn't have any elevator, so we use the stairs, and to get the mountain view you need to book the top floor rooms.
Have a look inside. The decor is like amazing. It's completely wooden with authentic Sikkimese look. Mighty Kanchenjunga.
Hope you all enjoyed today's video. If so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and
How is
family.
it?
Next video will be on how we spent 2 days in Gangtok. Until then, thank you so much for watching Sumi Travelogues and love you loads.